Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to do a collective haul from what I've gotten this last month. So let's get in and let's get into the video. All right guys, so welcome back. So like I said, we're doing a collective haul. So I'm going to share with you guys some orders that I've gotten from doing like little quick stops at the local Target, TJ Maxx, my stores, Ulta. So we're gonna go through some things here. Plus, I'm gonna share with you guys some things I've gotten in the mail. So let's start off with the item that I got in the mail. And I've spoken to you guys about this. This is from a company called Influenster. I will put, as a matter of fact, I'll have a link to all the products that I mentioned in the video in the description box below so you guys can check them out. But I've gotten one from Influenster. Now, Influenster is, if you've watched any of my other videos, or if you watched my last collective haul, you guys know that Influencer basically is a company that wants to share new products by different companies and see what your thoughts are and just get your reviews on it. So what they sent me to try out, and you guys will get my full review on Influencer, or you can go follow me on Influencer so you can see what I thought, is what they sent me was, let me see if it tells me, this is from Beauty Blender. What is it? Okay, so the postcard doesn't tell you what it is. Basically it is, oh, this is a skin tint that Beauty Blender has out now. Now, if you know anything, if you've ever heard of Beauty Blender, you guys know Beauty Blender is basically known for their beauty blenders. But I guess they have a new product called Bounce. This is skin tint. So the intention of this is to use it with your blender. So you can blend this into your skin. So I am gonna try this out. It says always on radiant skin tint. Now I tend to, when I'm going out to the store, I usually tend to gravitate more towards like tinted skin moisturizers. I usually just put on makeup when I'm doing videos, or if I have to do like go on camera for like at work for a meeting or something. But I even with those, sometimes I just tend to go towards a tinter just to be quick and stuff. So I would definitely let you guys know when I do my empties what I thought about that. So that's just, those are products that you get for free. So definitely I will put the information to everything, but especially for Influencer if you guys are interested in checking out products. So that's just one. But here are the things that I've actually ordered or gotten during my ventures out into the store or online. Now, first things first, I had a hard time finding Dove brown sugar in my local Walmart. It seemed like one day it was there, one day it was not. We have a ton of Walmarts in my city. I live in a large city, but it seemed like there was like one specific Walmart, if you look by zip code, that would have it where I could drive to it. But I was just like, I'm not driving all the way out there just to get one brown sugar. But I didn't get one brown sugar. I got two just because since it was so hard to get the one, I was like, I'm just gonna buy two. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have this one. This one, if you look at the charts that they put on their scrubs, it always goes to either, for the ones that I've seen locally, either go to the 1 or 2. This is the first one I've actually seen there, that it's at the highest exfoliation. And Dove scrubs, I haven't had any problems with any Dove scrubs before. They are super moisturizing, not abrasive at all. And this one smells like, it smells good to me. It's basically brown sugar and coconut butter. So it kind of has a combination of brown sugar and coconut in my opinion. But yeah, if you have a hard time finding this in your local store, just buy it online. What I did was I bought some other things that I needed in my household to just get the free shipping for $35. That's all I did. So I hope that helps you guys. All right, so the next thing we have in my bag, this one is actually from Ulta. This was during their last sale that they had recently, and I've been curious about these nails. These were actually just $5, so I picked these up in a curbside pickup. So I got these just because I heard that the line from Kiss Gel Fantasy has like the best nail glue. Now, if you have any kids or if you wash any dishes, you guys know sometimes it's hard to keep nails on. So I haven't, you guys always see my hand, if you pay attention with the shop with me, I rarely ever do my hands, but I'm curious to see and check these out. So I'm definitely gonna try this and see if it works, and I will give you guys a heads up when I do any update videos like that. All right, so that is one bag down. This is actually something that I have been curious about, but wasn't curious about paying full price on this one. Now this is Macadamia Professional. This here is a nourishing repair mask. Now I've seen a lot of people on YouTube talk about this during hygiene videos. It's just the cost was kind of crazy in my opinion. So I was like, you know, I have all these other masks. I'm not gonna go crazy with this. But every Sunday I actually do a mask in my hair. So I was curious. So you know what? I found this in the clearance section at TJ Maxx. I said, this is the time. She's screaming at you, go grab her. So I grabbed this. But if you've ever used this product before, please let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are. I want to know if this is, so $10 I would definitely pay for. I think the retail value I've heard by other people say it's like $27. So that's why I'm like, I don't know about paying that much, but just wanted to share. All right, so the next thing we have here is from Native. I had to order this on Target pickup because when I was going into Target, I didn't see it. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna pick this up. And I was actually able to grab this during pickup. Now, haven't smelled it. So I've seen a lot of people say it was really good. This is actually the first product from Native I'm actually getting. Now this is definitely limited edition. It's just for the holidays. And this smells like, if you've ever smelled Mary Cookie from Bath & Body and you like the way that this smells, this is how that smells in my opinion. All right, so hopefully the link that I have below for that shows that it's available in your store too. And the next thing we have here is candy cane. And I got this from Ulta. So I got candy cane when that came out, and I also got, what is this? Sugar plum berries. So I got those two there. So this is supposed to be like more of a sugar, the sugar plum berries. Let me see, it's supposed to be more of a berry scented holiday one. And it is. It kind of smells, yes, it has like a berry scent, and it has the same texture that normally the Tree Hut scrubs have. So those, I don't use those every day. I usually use those on a weekend, like once a week. And then I use the Dove in between, or like any other scrubs that I have. Now candy cane, I'm not a peppermint scented person. I'm more of a berry scented person. But what made me curious about this is a lot of people said the consistency of this one is not as abrasive. And when you look inside of this Tree Hut scrub, it does not look as abrasive as the berry. Let me actually do a comparison, and it's not even because of the color. Like if you were to open this up, I wouldn't recommend it, but if you open this up inside the store, you can clearly see that this one is, let me put that closer. This one has those large abrasive scrubs. This one does not. This is more of a creamy texture, kind of like what you would get from a Dove scrub. So if you have been on the fence of getting Tree Hut scrubs, I would definitely go for the cotton candy one. And the peppermint, I guess the peppermint scent of it isn't too strong. So that is definitely a plus for you. And then let me see, that's from Ulta. That's done. We have a couple products left that I've gotten, like I said, on my in and outs of stores. This one I got from Target. This was a daily moisture. This is basically Target's Up and Up version of CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Now I've been interested in using CeraVe, but CeraVe, haven't been interested in the price. So this one was $5.59 for the Up and Up brand. But if you guys have ever tried CeraVe, let me know in the comment section below if it's worth it. This is probably what I'm gonna use right now just to get a taste. And if you're not too sure on a product, yes, the off brands sometimes are not exactly the same, but this will give you an idea if it would work for you. So yeah, I definitely will pay $5.59 and give it a try. And then if I like it, I will get the CeraVe version of it. All right, so another thing I got from TJ Maxx is, this is from Onyx Bathhouse. I can't bear the cold. This one was super cute. I had to get it. And I didn't open this one up, and I'm not, because I don't want it to, yeah, you can't really smell it. But basically this one is, this is marshmallow with jojoba oil. So I like gourmand scents. So this is my gift to myself. I can write that tag and just say, here you go. But yeah, if you guys see, they have a lot of Onyx bathhouse, and I've been sleeping on them. But I'm gonna start looking into those. These kind of remind me of like the Dove scrubs, outside of the Tree Hut scrubs. I've heard a lot of other hygiene hauls say that this is not as abrasive as like the original Tree Hut scrub is. So I kind of want to check this out to see if I have a good alternative to Dove, because you know, sometimes these seem to follow the trend of whatever the season is. So you kind of want to go in that direction. Dove is like consistent with, these are the 4 that they have, and that's what you're gonna get. So I kind of like to switch it up every so often. So I'm gonna see if I like this, and I'll give you guys a heads up on this one, or my thoughts on Onyx Bathhouse once I use this up in an empty. So yeah, and then last but not least, I guess I'm super excited. Last but not least, this is the first time I'm getting this, and if you follow any of my collective haul videos, you guys know I love, 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 love this product. Now this is Brazilian Bum Bum. This is Biggie Biggie Bum Bum Cream. It reminded me of like Selena Bitty Bitty Bum Bum. But this is the product. I will put the link for Sephora below, but this is the product that comes out only once a year. So if you are looking to give yourself a gift this holiday, or if you know somebody in your life that loves the scent of, basically, hold on, where are the scents? Where are you? Where are you? The scents are coconut oil, kapaku butter, acai fruit oil, and guarana extract. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I could have totally butchered those, but there you are, you guys can see that. Now, basically, if you normally go to Sephora, or if you go into the Sol de Janeiro website, I've always gotten the $20, I'd say you, but I've always gotten just a $20 bottle, and I hoard that bottle all year long. Nobody can touch it. But then this year and this summer, I went back out and I got the $40 bottle. Now, this one is the biggest bottle that you can get. So this is like my refill once that $40 bottle is done. This you cannot get any other time of the year. This here is a 16 fluid ounce bottle. We're not going to talk about the price, but just know that if you like limited edition products, then this is the product that you want to add to your collection. So that is everything that I got. And again, I will have a link in the description. I will have the products in the description box below, so you guys can see if they're still available. But with that being said, let me know in the comment section below what has been your favorite product to get this month. And we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.